If you've just been scammed in crypto, stop what you're doing and watch this video. We're going to walk you through exactly what you need to do in the next few minutes to give yourself the best shot at recovering your money. These steps have helped real people get real results, and they could make all the difference for you. First, freeze. Don't move more funds. Scammers often try to bait victims into sending more. Lock down your remaining assets. Transfer any remaining funds to a new wallet with new private keys, ideally using a hardware wallet if you have one. Next, document everything. Screenshots of transactions, wallet addresses, messages, emails, social media DMs, everything. You'll need this for reporting and forensics. The more detailed you are, the better chance you have later. Now, report the scam to your local authorities. Also report it to the exchange if the scam involved one. Many exchanges now have dedicated fraud teams. Consider working with a reputable crypto forensics firm like Scam Broker Check with verifiable history, clear contracts, and success-based fees. Finally, treat this as a hard, expensive lesson. Use multi-factor authentication, cold wallets, and never trust unsolicited messages online. Scammers are evolving, and staying safe in crypto means evolving too. You're not alone. Thousands have gone through this and come out stronger. If this helped, give the video a like, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more recovery tips and crypto safety guides. Stay safe out there.